How to create a Facebook account. Friends, by creating a Facebook account, you can make new friends and strengthen your social network. Creating an account on Facebook is very easy. For this, type on Google, how to create an account in Facebook step by step. Or you can also write Facebook sign up. After this, you will get this website on Google. You have to click on it. Now click on create an account. After this, you have to enter your first name as I am doing. Now after that you have to enter the last name. After this, you will have to enter your email ID. If you have not created your email ID, then you can learn to create email by yourself. It is very easy. Or you can see in the previous video in my channel how to create an email ID. Click on the button above. You will get the direct link from that also. Then you can also check by clicking the link in my description section. Now you have to enter your email ID. Then again, you have to enter the same email ID which you have just entered. Now the next step is password. Create a good strong password which you can remember and is also safe. After this, you have to enter your date of birth, day, month, and year. What is your gender? Enter it as I am entering. My gender is female. I will enter female. Now you have to click on sign up. And you have to enter. After this, you will receive a confirmation code on your email ID. You have to enter it in your Facebook account and click on continue. Congratulations, your Facebook account is ready. Now add a good photo of yourself and upload a good photo for your cover page and start adding friends. See how easy it was? Now add a good photo of yourself and upload a good photo for your cover page and start adding friends. See how easy it was? Now add a good photo of yourself and upload a good photo for your cover page and start adding friends. See how easy it was? Like and comment on the video to see similar technology related videos. And also subscribe the channel.